Welcome to the Pedigree Builder. This tool lets you build and manage a full pedigree record for your dogs, including photos, parent links, and shareable pedigree pages. It's designed so you can create a professional pedigree view you can save, print, and share with buyers. If an animal isn't in the system yet, you can add them. When you add a new animal, you'll enter the required fields like registration number, name, sex, and ownership status. Once saved, that animal becomes available to link as a sire or dam, and you can continue building the family tree from there. When you click Edit, you can update the animal's profile details right inside the pedigree, things like genetic results, performance, titles, and additional notes. This is where you keep the pedigree entry accurate and complete. Add photo or video. Most pedigrees are just text. We let you attach a photo gallery and videos directly inside the pedigree entry. Who does this? We do. That means when you share the pedigree, people aren't just reading names. The photo and video gallery is the visual record for that dog. You can upload multiple photos and videos, reorder them, and present the dog professionally. Perfect for marketing, proof of quality, and preserving your program history. The Share button creates a shareable link you can send to anyone: buyers, co-owners, mentors, or puppy owners. They can view the pedigree details and gallery without needing to log into your account. It's a fast way to show credibility in lineage. Linking parents. To build the pedigree, you link the sire and dam. When you click Manage Parents, you can search for an existing sire or dam already in your pedigree records, or type to create a new parent entry if they aren't there yet. Linking parents is what creates the pedigree lines and builds out the generations automatically. Clicking on the pedigree allows you to view and edit the selected animal. Max generations to show what it controls. The Max Gens dropdown controls how many generations you want to display at once. If you just want a quick view, keep it lower. If you want a deep lineage view, increase it. This changes how far back the tree expands on screen and on printed PDFs. We hope you enjoyed this quick overview of the pedigree system.